Hello. In today's episode about the Miraf SongBook program, we will introduce our website, show you where to find things, and how to properly use the site. The demonstration will be done in the Firefox web browser. We have logged into our website www.miraf.cz and we can see the homepage, where you can read general information about our site, its features, available options, functions, and some appearance examples, along with additional information regarding program installation. Navigating the website is really simple using this top menu, where you can find all the necessary tabs. The home icon will always take you back to the main page. In the Windows version tab, you'll find all the important information related to the Windows operating system version. In the About the Program tab, you can see the introductory screen and a description of all the parts of the program. The Screens tab shows you a list of the most commonly used screens in the Miraf SongBook program so that you can get an idea of how the program looks and what functions it has. If you're a complete beginner with the Miraf SongBook program, you should go through all the electronic videos from the first to the last. The courses are designed to follow one another smoothly, so a complete beginner should watch all the videos. Each video course comes with a description where you can find basic information about what is covered in that particular course. Also, at the bottom of the page, there are text documents, like a list of tags for editing. If you look at it, you'll see the tags used, with descriptions of their meanings and the version when they were added to the program. When we click on a video course, we are automatically taken to a specific video hosted on YouTube, which you can watch. The videos are about 10 minutes long on average, but some may be longer. You can also visit our YouTube channel, where these videos are stored as well. The next tab we have is for downloading the program. Anyone who purchases the full version of the Miraf SongBook program, regardless of the version, can download it from this tab. Here, you enter your registration number and click Verify and Download. After entering the registration number and pressing Verify and Download, you will see the page for downloading the full version. You can then click the Download button and save the program directly to your computer. If you need to enter a new registration number or have multiple versions, you can do so using this link. If you encounter issues with downloading or installing the program, we provide a simple guide here to help with the process. The next tab for Windows is the Demo Version Download. Basic information about the demo version is provided here, as well as its limitations. The demo version is available for you to try out some of the core features, to get familiar with the program, and decide if you want to purchase it. Of course, the demo version has some restrictions. To download the demo version, you must be logged into your account on www.miraf.cz. If you already have an account, you can log in easily. If you don't have an account, you can create one here. Shortly, in this course, we'll talk about accounts. If you have any issues with downloading or installation, you can refer to the instructions here. The next tab is the Android version. In the About the Program section, you'll find basic information about what the Android version includes, along with key features and functionalities. Additionally, there's a guide on how to transfer databases from Windows to Android, how to configure it, and how to use the online database. At the bottom of these pages, you'll also find navigation panels, which help you quickly navigate through the website without needing to scroll up. The Screens tab shows screen previews from Android so you can imagine how it will look on your device. In this tab, there are also video tutorials for the Android version, as well as links to download the program from Google Play and YouTube channel links. The News tab lists the most important information, such as when new versions for Windows and Android are released. You'll also find a complete description of what's new in each version, including added features, changes, and fixes. The FAQ tab is very important because it provides answers to the most common questions users have about how the program works, installation, and any issues that may arise on users' computers. This section describes certain functions, like how to perform imports and exports. You should always go through this FAQ before contacting technical support, as 99% of the questions are answered here. Now, let's skip to the Contact tab. In the Contact section, you can reach out to our technical support. You'll need to provide your email. If you have a registration number, you can include that as well. You can specify whether your query is about the Windows or Android version. If needed, you can attach a document and click Send. Your query will go to technical support, and we'll do our best to assist you. Your responses will be available in your account, which we'll talk about at the end of this lesson. In the Buy tab, you can purchase the program by making a simple order, which you'll submit and pay for. All the information will also be sent to your email. Now we will make a trial order. Here you can see the prices for purchasing the program, upgrades, or additional services. We will fill in all the necessary information, such as the address and contact details. Here, we will choose what we are purchasing, whether it is the full version of the program or an upgrade, and here we will select the number of licenses. One license allows installation on 2 computers within one family or company. You can also purchase an extension for more computers. We will confirm the terms and click Submit Order and Pay. Here you can see all the information about the order placed and the payment options, either through PayPal or by credit card. Below, you can see additional information about the order, including whether it has already been paid, the sent registration numbers, and customer information. Now let's take a look at the My Account tab. First, let's see how to create an account. Every customer who purchases the program will automatically have an account created. If you haven't purchased the program and are just downloading the demo version or want to contact our support, you can create a new account through this tab. We only require your email address, nothing more. You enter your email here, agree to the data processing terms, and click Create Account. A new password will be sent to your email, which you can use to log into your account. If you already have an account but have forgotten your password or don't have one, you can use the Forgot Password tab, enter your email, and click Send New Password. This password will be sent to your email immediately, allowing you to log in. Now let's try logging in. In the Login section, you enter your email and password, then click Login. Here, in your account, you can see what orders you've made, when they were made, and if you click on Details, you'll see information about the payment and other details. In this section, you'll see all your registered full versions. You can check if they are active or if the license has been blocked, for example, due to upgrading to new version. I'll click on Details here, and you'll see the details of the license. You can see for which version it is, the registration numbers, how many computers it's licensed for, and some basic user information, which you can update if necessary. If your license gets blocked, for example, due to reinstalling your computer or replacing it, you have the option to unblock it. You can do this through the Unblock License tab. Each customer can unblock a license up to 4 times a year. So, if your computer breaks down or you need to reinstall it, you can unblock the license without having to contact technical support. If you lose or forget your installation password for the program, you can have a new one generated. This password is for the installation of the program only. Each license has its own password. In this tab, you can also see your questions and responses if you have contacted technical support. Your queries are sorted by the date they were submitted. You also have the option to select whether you want to receive news and updates. If you need to change your registered email, you can do that in the Change Email tab. And you can also change your password here. This password is only for the website, not for program registration. The last tab is to log out of your account. Always make sure to log out when you leave our website for security reasons. This flag symbol is used when you need to change the language on the website. If you're not logged in, you can choose your preferred language here. When logged in, clicking on the flag will take you to the account details, where you can set the communication language, and the site will remember it. At the very bottom of the site, you can connect to our YouTube channel, download the Android version, or check out our Facebook page. Finally, let's take a look at how the website operates on mobile phones or tablets. I'll resize this window. This is how it looks on tablets or mobile phones, and the site retains all the same functions. The only difference is that the menu is hidden under this icon, and when you click it, the menu appears, and you can easily switch between tabs. In this mobile version, you'll find the same information as in the full desktop version, just perfectly adapted for small phones or tablets, ensuring everything displays correctly and that the text is easy to read. Operating the site is very simple, and even a complete beginner can handle it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.